Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 2.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.6% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China's top climate diplomat said a final agreement on fossil fuels at the UN's COP28 summit was crucial, but he declined to say whether the country could agree to eliminating coal, oil and gas entirely. China's securities regulator has published draft rules aimed at slashing trading hazards and addressing the conflict of interest between the securities trading and fund sales businesses of brokerages, the latest reform to the $3.8 trillion mutual fund industry. The dollar rose to end last week after new data showed US job growth accelerated in November and the unemployment rate dropped, pointing to underlying strength in the labour market.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT, the US 10-year note auction at 1800 hours GMT. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's trade balance at 2350 GMT, Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.